Hey everybody, welcome to Rio Wins. And today, my sister and I are enjoying salmon crab cakes.
Hey!
Whoa, she has to turn on and off the TV, or the camera.
I'm the camera woman.
I just poured a glass of wine and
Cheers.
I had one sip.
Me too.
So
We have to have a glass of
that's not
wine.
even an excuse for thinking that the camera's the TV.
All right,
I love
so-
your house. It's so bright and sunshiny.
Oh, thanks.
You can't wait to dive into
I
those,
can't
can
wait.
you? This is another recipe that
Let's look.
ooh, look at those.
Don't mind my nails.
Oh,
I'm in
salmon
quarantine,
cakes.
so
Well, we're in quarantine.
I need a manicure bad.
Look at these. Yeah, so you'll find this in my recipe book too.
So I'm gonna dip it in some
Ooh. Look at
Thousand
that.
Island Ranch sauce.
Oh, I don't even think it needs it. Oh, I'm gonna eat it just
Delicious.
the way it is.
Salmon patties.
What does that taste like to you? Fresh?
Good. Salmon.
Fresh salmon, right out of the can. Uh-oh. She had an accident over there.
Yeah, I dropped some, but that's okay.
Is the sauce good?
Do you like our mukbang style? We're trying to be professional, where
Well-
the food is the focus.
We're not going to be the ones that eat 75 pounds of food.
No.
This is keto mukbangs.
Now on my
Low
channel,
carb.
I would show
Thanks.
all of me, but on her channel, she likes it this way. So we're gonna,
Why are you saying that?
because you like the food right up here, because this is what
I
you're
like the
displaying.
food so that they can see the food. That's the whole reason for doing these, so that they can enjoy the food while we're eating it.
So the link will be on the bottom where you can make this recipe on your own.
Or you can just watch us, because
Well, no, you just, oh yeah.
this recipe is, I made it.
Oh, right.
Right here live.
Live
for you.
camera action.
So just watch it.
Just watch it, make it.
Super easy. Super
Get with
easy.
a friend, or you know what's cool during this time? You can go live and do it virtual like we're doing.
We've been doing everything virtual.
Yeah,
And we haven't been doing this for a while, so it feels really good to get back
Mhm.
into it.
yeah. So we get together because
So,
we're,
if any of you guys want to leave me a comment down below, see what you've been doing in this quarantine time. I know it's a tough time. We're kind of the exception to the rule because this is what we do for a living, and so
Yeah,
and
so
I've
we're
been
used to
spending
it.
all my time doing my cookbook, and finally got that published, so that's available. Oh, I'm so
already
excited!
ate one. Delicious.
Yeah, I made a big batch of these, and
And that's
so
all you need.
I figured everybody
wouldn't
has
even-
family. They have family members.
You
so
could add this with, what could you add this with if they wanted to?
anything. You could put it in a salad. You could make a keto
Oh,
sandwich.
you could make a salmon salad. You could do a keto, yeah, you could do a sandwich.
You could make cheese buns and slap that right in the middle of some lettuce and tomato and onion.
Like if you're
And
craving like a fish sandwich.
I have a really good recipe for cheese buns and also tortillas and all kinds of different things. So there's a million things you could do with this. But you know what?
Goes great with wine.
I love it just the way it is. It has just the right taste. It's sweet. I
delicious.
mean, not sweet.
I always love crab cakes.
Well, that's
And this is salmon cakes.
I
and so if
actually-
you like crab cakes, this is
well.
like,
I have that recipe in my cookbook too. Mini crab cakes.
yeah, I love
So that's
crab
available,
cakes.
but I
so
love
this is salmon
salmon.
cakes. Delicious.
Honestly, I made these way before my cookbook, and it has been one of the biggest viewed videos that I've ever made.
Really?
Is the salmon cakes.
So perfect.
Salmon patties. What they call
Salmon
them.
patties.
Mhm. Same recipe. I
So-
just decided to put it in my book.
You can make a bunch ahead of time and freeze some. Have a, well, you can't really have dinner parties right now.
I'm gonna have another one. And they're fried, but they're fried in macadamia nut oil. So the oil is so good for you. And if you're on keto, then people are trying to figure out ways to get more healthy fats. in.
Cheers, sister, to your new
Cheers.
cookbook. To your
Thanks. This is a lot of fun.
She's gonna go viral.
Well, I hope so. I just hope everybody enjoys
I like them with.
gets my cookbook and enjoys all my recipes.
I like them with this organic Thousand Island.
That's
but-
good too.
But you can, because it's so spicy. It's spicy ranch dressing
Yeah.
dip, and I like a little spice. to my
Yeah,
fish.
of course. And that would be great on a sandwich, your spicy sauce.
Yes, with lettuce and tomato. You should make a sandwich with
See,
this.
you could do
bad
that.
boy.
You could do whatever you wanted. You could take the leftover of this and put it in a salad,
Oh my gosh.
break it up and eat it. And it has onions and garlic. And
So I got an idea.
what?
They could stop this video, make the recipe,
And leave me a comment if you
and
love
then
it.
once it's done, sit down with us here at the end
Oh yeah.
and eat with us.
That'd be so nice.
I love that when you eat with me.
Eat with me. Be
Virtual,
with us.
virtual hugs, virtual love.
Love that. Love that. Absolutely.
Eat with us. I always say that on all my videos, on all my.
Eat
I'm
with
like,
me.
stop this
Eat with
video,
us.
go get some food.
It doesn't even have to be this.
Let's sit down, let's chit chat, let's get to know each other virtually, and
Yeah.
have an online virtual.
Nobody likes to
Food.
eat alone. So if you're eating alone,
You know
go get
what?
something and then replay this and
So-
eat with us.
I appreciate mukbangs and people who eat on camera now even more so. Now that I live alone,
Yeah.
because the loneliness can be, it's for real, you know?
It's real.
It's for real.
I agree.
So to have somebody to eat with,
I know.
I do that now all the time. I'll just put on a YouTube.
That's why we're doing this together because I don't like to do these by myself.
Right. She doesn't like to do
I mean,
this
I
by
do them,
herself.
but I don't like them as well
But-
because who am I talking to? Me? I
You're
mean, I'm
talking
talking
to all your friends.
audience, of
All your
course, but it
audience.
feels like behind the scenes you're talking to yourself. You know what I mean?
Right. I'm a professional talker by myself.
My eyelashes got it going on.
I just put on some eyelashes, girl.
I'm so excited for you that they haven't fallen into
I
your,
have magnetic
in your
eyelashes.
salmon patty and you've eaten it.
Well,
And
exactly.
that we might have to bleep because I've
So you know what's exciting is go get yourself some magnetic eyelashes. Curl your
aren't
hair
you
a little
worried they'll
bit.
fall off?
No,
They just stay forever?
they forever stay.
Wow. Look at that. What's the stuff going on the ends there? That.
That's
It
the
looks like
magnetic
it
eyeliner
How come you took it so far?
because I wanted to have wings.
That is
I wanted to be wingful today
Well,
for
that's
your
happy.
cooking.
mm.
So you don't have to make it wing.
Oh, you can just do
You
it.
can just
I
do
just
whatever.
thought maybe that's how it's supposed to be.
No, I watch the other girls do it and they always do that wing.
Oh, so they're like trying to do the cat eye thing.
Yeah, you know how when they put the eyeliner, they
Yeah.
always have the wing.
Yeah.
So I did it like the other girls do.
Oh, she's
I watched a
stylish.
tutorial. So
Ooh.
anyway,
Well,
thank you.
I
It's
hope
been a
you guys
pleasure.
enjoyed eting with us. I hope you make this recipe, salmon patties, amazing.
One last cheers, sister.
One last cheers of wine.
Congrats.
Thank you.
We're never alone when we have each other. Just turn on the camera and
Absolutely.
we're together.
Never
I
alone
love
if you
you.
turn on YouTube. Bye bye, guys. Make sure and subscribe if you're not a subscriber and hit the bell above. Never miss one of our videos. Bye bye. Bye bye.